Over 60, feeling like your legs aren't as strong as they used to be, struggling to climb stairs, walk long distances, or even keep your balance? You're not alone. But here's the good news: research shows that drinking just a few special teas can actually help rebuild muscle, improve blood flow, and keep your legs strong and steady. Stay with me till the end, because the last tea might surprise you. As we age, muscle loss known as sarcopenia is a natural process. But it doesn't mean weakness is unavoidable. Scientists and doctors now agree, certain natural ingredients, used for centuries in traditional cultures, can actually fight this decline. Today, I'll share 3 teas that are affordable, easy to make, and backed by research to help strengthen your legs after 60. Tea number 1: green tea. When we think about staying strong as we age, we often picture exercise or lifting weights, but what many people overlook is the simple role of daily habits, like what we drink. And that's where green tea comes in. You might have heard of it as a weight loss drink, but the truth goes much deeper. Green tea is one of the richest natural sources of antioxidants, specifically catechins, which act like little bodyguards protecting your muscles from wear and tear. Imagine your muscles as tiny engines that keep you moving over the years. Those engines are constantly under stress from daily activity, toxins, and even normal aging. Catechins work to reduce that stress, almost like oiling the gears, so they keep running smoothly. But it doesn't stop there. Green tea also plays a powerful role in improving blood circulation. Good circulation means that every muscle fiber in your legs gets the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay alive and active. When blood flow is poor, muscles starve, and that's when weakness sets in. Many seniors complain about cold feet, tingling sensations, or heaviness in the legs often. That's linked to sluggish circulation. A warm cup of green tea can gently stimulate blood vessels, helping them relax and allowing blood to flow more freely. Over time, this small habit can have a noticeable effect on how strong and steady you feel when you walk. Studies have even shown that older adults who regularly drink green tea have better balance and coordination. Think about that for a moment. Something as simple as a daily cup of tea could be helping prevent falls, one of the biggest risks people face after 60. And it's not just about muscles and balance. Green tea also helps keep inflammation under control. Those aches and stiffness you might feel in your knees or hips, inflammation is often the culprit. By calming down that internal fire, green tea allows your muscles and joints to work more freely, without that constant feeling of being weighed down. The best part is, it's so easy to add to your day. Just brew a fresh cup in the morning, and maybe another in the afternoon if you like. You don't need sugar. In fact, a simple squeeze of lemon makes it even healthier and brighter in taste. With every sip, you're not just drinking tea, you're actively supporting your strength, your balance, and your independence. And that's why green tea is more than just a drink. It's a daily habit that can help keep your legs strong for years to come. Tea number 2: ginger tea. Now let's talk about ginger tea, which is more than just a comforting drink when you have a cold. Ginger has been treasured for thousands of years in cultures around the world, not just for its flavor but for its remarkable healing qualities. For anyone over 60, one of the biggest challenges is waking up with stiff muscles, achy joints, or that sluggish feeling in the legs. This is where ginger really shines. It contains natural compounds called gingerols, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is like a hidden fire inside your body, silently wearing down your muscles and joints day by day. By calming that fire, ginger makes it easier for your body to move freely without that constant stiffness weighing you down. But ginger doesn't just reduce pain, it also improves circulation in a very gentle, natural way. Think of your blood as the delivery system that carries energy and nourishment to every part of your body. If that system slows down, your muscles don't get what they need, and weakness begins to creep in. Ginger tea helps open up blood vessels and encourage better flow, which means your legs and muscles are continuously being supplied with the oxygen and nutrients they need to stay strong. For someone who struggles with tired, heavy legs or even swelling in the ankles, this simple drink can make a real difference over time. Another benefit of ginger is its ability to help with recovery. Let's say you take a walk, do some light exercise, or even just spend a busy day on your feet. It's natural to feel sore afterward, but ginger tea helps speed up the recovery process by reducing muscle soreness and supporting faster healing. That means you're more likely to stay active and keep moving, which is the key to maintaining muscle strength as you age. And making it is so easy. All you need to do is slice a few fresh pieces of ginger, drop them into a pot of boiling water, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. The aroma alone feels soothing, and the taste is warm and slightly spicy. If you'd like, you can add a teaspoon of honey or even a squeeze of lemon for extra flavor. Sip it slowly, and you'll notice how comforting and energizing it feels. That's why ginger tea is more than just a warm drink. It's a daily ritual that can ease stiffness, boost circulation, and keep your legs moving with strength and comfort. Tea number 3, Hibiscus tea. Now let's move on to hibiscus tea, a drink that stands out the moment you see it. Its deep red color makes it look almost like a glass of ruby, and its tangy, refreshing taste is unlike most other teas. But beyond the color and flavor, hibiscus tea is loaded with powerful nutrients that directly support muscle strength and overall vitality, especially as we grow older. One of the biggest challenges with aging is oxidative stress. You can think of oxidative stress as a kind of rusting process inside the body, where unstable molecules slowly damage cells, including those in your muscles. Over time, this weakens your legs, reduces your stamina, and leaves you feeling fatigued more quickly. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, which acts like a shield against that process, protecting your muscles from further breakdown and helping them recover from daily wear. Another reason hibiscus tea is so effective is its ability to support heart health. Strong circulation starts with a healthy heart, and hibiscus has been shown to lower blood pressure and balance cholesterol levels naturally. When your heart pumps more efficiently and your arteries stay flexible, blood flows more smoothly through your legs. That improved circulation means your muscles receive a steady supply of oxygen and essential nutrients, which helps keep them stronger and more resilient. For anyone dealing with leg weakness or fatigue, this improved circulation can make everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing for longer periods much easier. What's also remarkable about hibiscus tea is how energizing it feels without containing caffeine. Many people over 60 prefer to avoid too much caffeine, since it can affect sleep or increase jitteriness. Hibiscus, on the other hand, provides a clean, refreshing lift that wakes up your body in a natural way. It's perfect hot in the evening or cold during a warm afternoon, making it versatile for any lifestyle. Preparing it is simple. Just steep dried hibiscus petals in hot water for 5 minutes, and you'll get a rich, ruby-colored tea with a slightly tart taste, similar to cranberries. You can drink it plain or add a little honey if you'd like to soften the tang. Over time, making hibiscus tea part of your daily routine can leave your legs feeling less tired, your energy more stable, and your overall health noticeably stronger. And that's why hibiscus tea is more than just a beautiful drink. So, let's recap. Green tea fights inflammation and boosts blood flow. Ginger tea reduces stiffness and muscle pain. And hibiscus tea restores strength by fighting oxidative stress and supporting circulation. 3 simple, affordable teas that can make your legs feel stronger and more energetic. No expensive supplements required. Remember, consistency is key. Try 1 cup of these teas every day, and within weeks, you'll notice the difference. Which tea will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Global Health Guide for more science-packed health tips designed especially for you.